Hi, my name's Kiana and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my everyday makeup, which is this look right here. I feel like it's just so perfect for the spring and summer. It's very easy, super natural, but I feel like it looks very flawless and put together. So let's get into it. Sorry for the jump scare. We're starting with a fresh base. I just finished my skincare routine. I can show you my skincare routine in a separate video. Cora pawed me in the face this morning, so that's why my face is a little bit red. But let's get into the makeup. I honestly like to keep my makeup pretty light and very natural. And since we are getting into the spring and summertime, I have been using this combination a lot recently. This is the Complexion Perfecting Tinted Serum from OG and the Face Bond Luminizer from Urban Decay. This one is in the shade Space Cowboy. So I'm just gonna shake both of these up, and I like to do like a 1-to-1 mix. I honestly don't like to go too crazy with foundation and stuff, so I'm just gonna do a little bit like that. Also, I apologize if you can hear my dishwasher going on in the background. And then I just like to use this makeup spatula thing to kind of mix it around. You don't have to do this. I feel like this is a little bit of an extra step, but just like slice it like this and then use it to wipe the foundation onto your skin. And this makeup spatula is supposed to help distribute your base makeup like in the thinnest layer possible. So I feel like it just helps your makeup apply very naturally and gives it a skin-like finish. I also found this powder puff recently. I've been obsessed. I don't know what they make this stuff out of, but I feel like it just blends your makeup in so seamlessly. Honestly, I've been preferring this over a beauty blender recently too. Don't forget to blend down the neck. Going in with concealer next. I've been loving this combination from Cali Ray. I believe this is their Hideaway concealer, but I honestly just use these two shades, this pink one as a brightener, and then this one more so as the concealer. Also, fun fact, if you didn't know, pink actually helps to correct your under eye circles. So just do a couple dots under the eyes, and then wherever else I feel like I need it. For concealer, I like to go in with a brush first. I just kind of dab all the product out. And then I just go over everything again by tapping everything in. I'm honestly not too picky with my blush, but I have really been liking this one from Armani Beauty. This is their Luminous Silk Cheek Tint in the shade 62. Also going in with a brush to dab this out. And now that that's all blended, I'm going in with a pressed powder. This one is the Vanish Airbrush Pressed Powder in the shade Translucent Light. It's again just kind of like a pink tinted powder. Just gonna dab this under the eyes. Personally, I found that pressing this into my face seems to work better than like using a brush or anything else. And I feel like it also helps to tone down some of the blush blindness. If I'm feeling super fancy, sometimes I'll go over the blush with a powder, but I'm just gonna go in with a powdered bronzer over my face just to help warm it up a little bit. Nothing too crazy with this though. And now for the fun part, the eyes, at least my favorite part. I always start by curling my lashes. This is the Shiseido eyelash curler. I honestly think this is the best for Asian eye shapes. I always start with a mascara that I know is gonna help hold a curl, and my favorite recently has been this one from Romand. This is a Hand All Fix mascara in long black. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows while I wait for the first layer of mascara to dry, and I want to do something more natural today, so I'm actually going in with this brow pencil. I actually got this, I think, on my last trip to Japan. Personally, for me, the type of brow pencil doesn't really matter. I just like one that has a finer point like this. I feel like I'm not too picky with the way that I do my eyebrows. I more so just fill in the sparse areas and kind of bring the tail down a little bit and like make them even on both sides. And honestly, for eyeshadow and stuff, I keep it pretty simple. I typically like to just use one like glitter eyeshadow. This gold glittery one from MAC has been my go-to for years now. I literally just take some and put it on my eyelid like that. Sometimes if I want a little bit more dimension, I will go in with the bronzer that I use and just kind of put it into my crease. Going in with some brown eyeliner, kind of just use my fingers to bring the wing out a little bit. And I do like to put a little bit on the bottom lash line right here. Going in with this Tarte mascara. This is the Tartelette Tubing Mascara, and it honestly has been working so well. Let's do a little highlighter. This is the V highlighter palette from Peri Para. Going in with the white shade here. I don't know why, I kind of like to just do the inner corner and I drag it up a little bit. The way the light reflects the highlighter, I don't know, it just looks really pretty. And just topping it off with a lip product. I've been obsessed with these new Coco Kind Ceramide Lip Blur Balms. This is in the shade Be Bold. Now let's set everything in place. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, the vitamin C one. And then I just like to go over the makeup one last time, pressing everything in with the setting spray. Okay, I do feel like the blush got a little too removed, so going in with a blush from this palette, let's go with this brighter color today. Pressing it into my cheeks. And this is the finished product. I want to take my hair down everything to show you guys, but this is what the finished makeup looks like. I'm outside right now, so I also just really quickly wanted to show you what the makeup looks like in natural lighting, because I know inside the apartment I was using a big old like ring light and everything. This is what it looks like under direct sunlight. Just want to show you like how natural and skin-like the makeup looks, because I really do hate when my face feels and looks cakey. Okay, and just really quick, I know I showed a darker color on my lips earlier, but if you're into a more natural look for the lips, or if that color is a little too bold for you, try this shade. This is Be Kind, and it's just like the perfect peachy tone for your lips. Let me show you guys what it looks like on. Also, I just feel like these lip balms are so cute. I love that it comes with a little charm and that the lid even has this like ring for you to put charms on to begin with. But this is what the shade Be Kind looks like on my lips. See, it just looks so natural, it's so subtle, and it looks so pretty. Again, I just feel like the more peachy, natural color looks so pretty for the spring and summer. And it's only $12. Like, I feel like that's so affordable for a lip balm nowadays. Coco Kind always slays. They're one of my favorite beauty brands. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial of my everyday makeup, and I will see you guys in next week's video.